What's the meaning of collective? Collective. Collective.
Collective. Collective. The term collective refers to a group of individuals who come together to achieve a common goal or purpose. It involves shared responsibility, cooperation and collaboration to reach a specific objective. The power of the collective lies in the pooling of resources, talents and knowledge towards a common aim. Through collective efforts, individuals are able to achieve outcomes that may be unattainable through individual efforts alone. The concept of collective action has been applied in various fields including politics, economics, social activism, and environmentalism to bring about positive change and progress.